Okay, this is the KU Lebook Pro. I bought this in November of 2024 as a Christmas present for myself, Christmas gift to myself. I've had it, well, like I said, since November 2024. Right now, it will not charge. Here, let me show you. You have to excuse the video. I'm in my 18-wheel. I'm in my truck. I'm working. Will not come on. Here, let me show you that the power is at the cord is actually getting power. I'm going to take the plug out of here. I'm doing this all with one hand, so bear with me. There it goes. So it's charging this, as you can see. Took it off. It's not charging. Plug it back in, and it's getting a charge. So it's fully charged. But yeah. Another way you could tell that this isn't working, the charge isn't working, is because let me get it back in. Okay, if you can see right there, the little circle that's there above the charger, that light comes on when it's charging. This has dual C ports, and it's supposed to be able to charge with any of the ports through either of the C ports. That's why there's another thing right there, but it's not charging at all. I've attempted to contact KUU. They don't have a number. They have one email address, which is business@kuusupport.com, I believe. I've sent them maybe 8 emails over the course of 2 to 3 weeks about this issue I'm having. Not one response. I've been looking online. There is no other way to contact them after spending, I think this cost me about $950, because I got the the i7 with the did I get the one? It was, yeah, the i7 with the 16 gigs of RAM, but it the 1 terabyte hard drive. And yeah, so that's $900 down the drain, that I just threw away getting this. So there you have it.